And so welcome to our Unity Prayer Service for November 2022. I invite you to take a few moments to simply relax, to let the chair hold your body and get a sense of getting quiet and still, opening into and aware of more fully the experience of God here. So if you're comfortable to close your eyes, please do so. Relax into this sacred time together as we move into prayer. So setting aside the concerns of our day, we unite our hearts and minds in prayer. With each breath, we relax as we open to divine ideas and a fresh realization of our oneness with God. We begin by recognizing the power and presence of God in this moment, within and all around us. Every breath draws us deeper into awareness of God and our God potential. The spirit of peace is my well-being. From my I am nature, the divine identity, I now command every structure and system in mind and body to behold the spirit of peace. The spirit of peace is the source of my mental clarity, emotional calm, and the renewal of my sacred body. In silence, I claim the potential of peace. Centered in divine wisdom, I know the way to go. God is the wisdom within, the whisper of truth whenever I seek a sense of direction. Moment by moment, I feel my way to the next decision and the next action on the strength of intuition and discernment. Confidently, gracefully, I proceed. I claim the potential of wisdom now. and one with the flow, energy, and vitality of divine life. In each moment of celebration or challenge, I am anchored to the power of divine life. The promised fullness of life is mine as I attune to limitless breath and overflowing vitality. I claim the potential of divine life within my holy heart and sacred body in the silence. I live in joyful expectation, knowing God is my source. My faith faculty is fully functioning every time I acknowledge God is my source. Turning my attention toward the blessings I experience each moment, I instruct faith to see what my eyes cannot yet see, the blessings ahead. I claim the potential of faith in joyful expectation now. One God, one life, one mind, one heart. We are one. May all beings be blessed. May all suffering be relieved. May all joys be magnified. May my heart beat in unison with the divine heart of all humanity. I claim the potential of life, love, and oneness now. As we close this time together, we are renewed, strengthened, and enlivened for the purpose ahead of us. Fortified by spiritual peace, wisdom, life, faith, and love, we are fully able to be a light in the world around us. Our agreement is to acknowledge our spiritual source with every claim of our divine potential. And we close our prayer time now by reciting the prayer for protection together. The light of God surrounds us. The love of God enfolds us. The power of God protects us. The presence of God watches over us. Wherever we are, God is, and all is well. Thank you for joining in our meditation today.